Hey everyone, welcome back to my another video, and today we will talk about PTE. The full form of PTE is Pearson Test of English. It is a computerized test, software checking, and it takes around 2 hours. It is considered that each module is of 30 minutes. Like earlier it used to be for 3 hours, but nowadays the timing of the PTE is only 2 hours. For booking PTE, you should have a valid passport. I mean, you should have non-ECR passport. Let's move to the modules. There are 4 modules in PTE. First one is speaking, second writing, then reading, and last one is listening. The very first module is speaking, and there are 5 activities in speaking. First of all, read aloud, repeat sentences, describe image, read a lecture, and answer short questions. In read aloud, you get 7 to 8 read alouds in your real exam. Read aloud is the activity in which you get a paragraph of 3 to 4 lines and you have to read that paragraph loudly. Loudly, I don't mean to say you have to speak loud, you have to speak clearly so that your recording can be clear and the examiner and the software can understand your words. After that, you get repeat sentences. In repeat sentences, speaker speaks a sentence like I will come back in 15 minutes. Then you have to speak that sentence. You have to repeat that sentence like I will come back in 15 minutes. You can make notes if you want, but we don't generally get enough time to make notes in exams. So you have to be prepared. This activity is really important for our listening section too. And read alouds are the backbone of PT because read alouds gives us marks in not only in reading but also in speaking. Speaking and listening both read alouds are much important. After that, repeat sentence are highly valuable for listening part as well as for speaking part. You get only around 6 to 12 repeat sentences in your exam. After that, you get describe image. In describe image, there are various types of images we have, such as bar graph, line graph, pie chart, and table. But in exams, you get only 4 type of images and they can vary according to numbers, like you can get 3 line graphs, 1 simple image, and most of the time students cover the describe image with the help of template because students face difficulties to make lines instantly in English. So you can also go for the template, but the template should be vary according to the graphs. After that, we will talk about retail lecture. In retail lecture, a short audio is played and it lasts for around 1 minute only. In 1 minute, you have to write almost 18 to 20 words. Then you can go for the template, use the template, put the keywords in the white spaces, and then you have to speak. You have to speak because this is your speaking section and you get only 1 to 2 read a lecture in your real exam. After that, answer short questions. In answer short questions, you get only 6 to 7 questions and you have to respond into only 1 to 2 words. Like these are the very normal questions. I Let me ask one question like from where you can borrow books. Definitely everyone knows we can borrow books from the library, so you have to speak from library or only library. So this was all about speaking section. There are 4 activities, 5 activities in speaking. Read aloud, we have to read the passage. Repeat sentence, we have to repeat the sentences spoken by the speaker. After that, describe image and read a lecture. You can go for the template. After that, answer short questions. Answer short questions are not as important as other 4 activities, but still you should practice answer short questions too. Moving to the part second, module second, which is writing. In writing there are only two type of activities. First one is summarize spoken text and the second one is essay. In the case of summarize spoken text, you get a passage of 800 to 1000 words, and from this passage you have to pick only 3 lines, important lines, and convert it into 60 to 65 words. You have to remember you don't exceed from 70 or 75 words. Apart from this, you have to use only one full stop, because the demand of the statement is that we don't have to write more than one sentences. So for adding 3 lines we have to write 3 lines. So for adding those lines we will use linkers, different type of linkers. Apart from this, many of the students institutes are using different type of templates in summarized written text. Furthermore, moving to the essay, most of the institutions are using templates for the essay too. And for the essay, you generally we get a statement. It can be very like agree, disagree, advantage, disadvantage, discuss both views. But we generally use like a template which is prepared, and you can we get some spaces in this template. So we use some words picking from this statement, and then we use and insert into the template, which and no doubt students are getting score by using this method. So this was all about PTE writing and speaking section. I will discuss rest 2 module in the upcoming video. Thanks for watching.